Hey, it's your Boomer Consumer, and normally I talk about hi-fi related stuff on this channel, but I'm also kind of a tech guy as well. I do have a small business in the software game, and my wife works with me, and her ancient MacBook Pro 15-inch laptop, it's a 2015 model, well, it's not doing well. It really is pretty ancient by today's standards. But she insisted two things. One, she gets another Mac, and two, the screen has to be at least 15 inch or above. But she's not a power user. Mostly she uses her computer for the web, handling some spreadsheet work, emails, that kind of thing. And she really doesn't need the power of the MacBook Pro. And that's what led us to getting the MacBook Air once Apple came out with the 15-inch. And so I ordered her one, and it just got dropped off, and of course I have to do a migration from her old laptop to her new one, but I thought I'd share the unboxing experience and kind of my initial impressions. We are kind of an Apple-based company, so if you're an Apple hater, this video is probably not for you, but anyhow, the specs on this, it's the, of course, has the M2 CPU, 8-core CPU, 10-core GPU, 256 gigs of storage space on there, and I ordered it with 16 gigabytes of RAM as opposed to 8, just for maybe a little bit of future proofing. Of course, if we need additional storage, not a big deal. It comes with 2 Thunderbolt/USB 4 ports and a Magsafe charging. Let me tell you, that Magsafe is one of the big selling points. I don't know how many times my wife has accidentally going into a room, tripped on the cord, and the Magsafe protected the laptop. And this is the midnight color. And like I said, it just got dropped off. So let's unbox it and I'll give you my initial impressions. So the box definitely feels heavier than what I thought. And as usual, Apple does a real good job. Listen to that. Just in their packaging. That's one. Turn around here. And get that. There we go. Boom. So those are off. We'll flip it back over, spin it around, and let's see what we got. And right there on top is the new MacBook Air. I'm going to lift it out. Oh, wow. That is way thinner and lighter feeling than I thought. So there is the computer. Just set this off to the side for a second. In the box, a nice braided, I like that, nice braided Magsafe charging cable. You know, one problem I've had in the past is these cables will come apart towards the end of the connector, right in through here. And hopefully that won't be an issue on this one. USB-C on the other end. And there should be a 35-watt charging brick in here. Let's pull this documentation. There we go. And sure enough, there's the charging brick right there. Okay. And that is all that's in the box. So we'll set the box off to the side. And back to the laptop, and we are going to peel this off. All right, here we go. And there it is. So I've heard people say this is black, others just such a dark blue. But boy, I think that is real pretty. Kind of a fingerprint magnet, some people complain. Here we go. Let's look at the back. There we go. All right. Very, wow, this thing is so thin. I believe it weighs just a little over 3 pounds. Let's go ahead and open up the lid on this. Whoa, came right up. I was not expecting that. First boot. There we go. Let me see if I can just kind of get this more into frame. And we're back. This is something right here with you have your camera. My wife will have to get used to. And then it does have your Touch ID, a backlit keyboard, and a nice big trackpad. So because it's so dark, it's probably hard to see some of this stuff on here. But wow, it's just shockingly thin and light. And the display is 500 nits, a true color. So yeah, this is the new 15-inch MacBook Air. It's a productivity laptop, unless you're doing, a lot of 4K, 8K rendering, that kind of thing. This is probably all the laptop you need. The price, because I added the extra RAM, it took it to $14.99 all in with tax, so it was around $1,609. And I actually got it a day early. Feel these keys. Here we go. We're already getting ready to go into setup. Nice keyboard. This is a stunning laptop. I like the midnight color. It's time for something different. She's been using silver.
Language. Press the return key.
Okay, we'll do that. Return. Come on. Oh, that was caps lock. Okay. All right. Anyhow, you get the idea. This is pretty much just a quick unboxing. Looks like the battery is fully charged up. Got to get it on the network. And then we're going to do a migration from her old MacBook Pro to this one. So we should be good to go. And that is my unboxing.
Contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver,
oh, for heaven's sakes, we're going to shut the lid. There we go. Okay. Keeps on going, doesn't it?
Mac. Press the escape key.
All right. Anyway, this is the 15-inch MacBook Air, 15.3, I should say, in midnight. $1,600 all in with the RAM upgrade, not a storage upgrade. I think Apple charges too much for that stuff. Well, most people would say Apple charges too much for their stuff no matter what. But anyhow, this is it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.